Greetings, this is English with Rahul Mahashabde. English with Rahul Mahashabde. This video is meant for those who are taking or appearing in a competitive examination and learning vocabulary. Vocabulary is pivotal for it plays significant role in appreciating easy and difficult comprehensions. Moreover, its role in decoding simple and complex ideas cannot be ruled out. Friends, the word sympathy nowadays has become a sort of a cliche. It is like an old coin which has worn out, and there are a number of words which can replace sympathy, like pity, mercy, kindness, or to a greater extent empathy, with slight change of meanings. However, these words still they are not very they still looks like very old and very used one, or they are very common. So we have a better word which can be used in place of sympathy or which can substitute sympathy is commiserate. The as you can see, the we have to be very careful regarding the pronunciation of this word. Now you can see one may pronounce as commiserate because there is a s is there, but in fact the real pronunciation is commiserate, or commiserate with somebody. The meaning of this particular word, the literal meaning of this particular word is to show sympathy with somebody or someone when they are disappointed about something. In other words, you are trying to show sympathy or trying to show empathy with someone when they are in difficulty or they are not feeling happy. So in other words, it is showing sympathy or commiserate with somebody on over about for something. Now you will notice that there are certain prepositions, specific prepositions, which have come after the word, this particular word, commiserate. So you can see on, over, about, for. So you will, whenever you will read any text or when you will come across this particular word, definitely you will uh, you will come across these prepositions like on, over, about, for, and of course with. So when you when you commiserate, you and your fellow with whom you sympathize, commiserators, that can be known as commiserators. When you talk about, when you talk to each other, you tell or you talk about how badly you are all feeling. There is a quiz for that, a very simple quiz. Which of the following groups would be most likely to commiserate amongst themselves? The options are a wedding party, a funeral party, a crowd at a concert, a tourist group. If your answer is, of course, a funeral party, so definitely you are absolutely correct, because at a funeral party, people generally commiserate with each other. They try to show or they try to empathize or sympathize with each other. So rest of the we cannot commiserate at rest of the places. It is not possible to commiserate at a wedding party or a crowd at a concert or a tourist, because at all these places people are already happy, so no need to commiserate with them. There are certain examples of commiseration or to commiserate. She commiserated with losers on their defeat. So you can see on has come and with has come. He started a business. He was busy in manufacturing throughout the day and spent whole evening commiserating over dissatisfied customers. Then third example is I am always trying to commiserate with her. The fourth one is the teacher tested me with a hard word to spell, sorry, to commiserate. She couldn't commiserate with her father about that moment when he left her alone. And there are certain synonyms for the word commiserate. The synonyms are aches for, bleeds, compassionating, condole, and feel for. So these are the various synonyms that can be used. I have made certain sentences and I am reading out to you. My heart aches for, that is to commiserate. I am commiserating with those poor people. A heart that bleeds or a heart that commiserate, even a compassionating those who troubled them, even a commiserating with. And then you must condole the widow, or you must condole with the widow, or you must commiserate with the widow. and I feel for him, I commiserate with him. So this is all for today's video. Uh, I hope you would be now in a better position to know the meaning of commiserate, and whenever next time when you have to sympathize with him or her, you should use the word, or you may use the word commiserate. So I commiserate with you. That would be the most appropriate word to use. Thank you very much, and it's bye bye from me. Thank you very much.